Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure HubSpot CRM for sales. To begin, navigate to the HubSpot website and log in to your account. Once logged in, you will be directed to your HubSpot dashboard. From the dashboard, click on the settings icon located in the main navigation bar. In the settings menu, locate the objects section on the left sidebar. Under objects, select deals to access deal configurations. Here, you can customize your deal stages to match your sales process. Click on the Edit button next to the current deal stages. You can rename each stage by clicking on the stage name and typing your preferred title. To add a new stage, click on the Add Stage option and fill in the necessary details. Drag and drop the stages to arrange them in the order that suits your sales cycle. Next, return to the Settings menu and select Properties under the Objects section. In the Properties tab, you'll see default properties for deals. Here, you can create custom properties by clicking Create Property. Fill out the fields for the new property, including the label, type, and description. After creating a custom property, ensure it's associated with the appropriate deal stages. Now, head back to the dashboard and click on Sales in the main navigation. Select Deals to view your deal pipelines. Make sure the newly configured deal stages and properties appear as expected. To modify your sales pipeline further, return to Settings and navigate to the Pipelines option under Deals. You can create additional pipelines if your sales process requires it. Simply click on Create Pipeline and name the new pipeline accordingly. Customize deal stages within this new pipeline by repeating the previous steps. Once everything is set up, it's essential to test your configurations. Create a sample deal to ensure all custom fields and stages function properly. Adjust any settings as necessary based on your testing experience. Finally, train your sales team on how to use the configured HubSpot CRM effectively. With this setup, you're now ready to streamline your sales process with HubSpot CRM. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.